Hey there DIY coders, welcome to HTML Quickie. We help you digest HTML so you can be healthy. Before we get started, there will be a link down in the description below for you to check out. If say you have like a rough idea or you have no idea what the heck HTML is, that video will be a good starting point for you for HTML and all the videos I have here. So let's go ahead and get ourselves prepared. So let's have your text editor out, your web browser out, and have those two applications open to the file that we'll be working on. And let's not forget, if you need to, pause the video, have this code that's highlighted copied onto your text editor, and then we'll get started. So we'll be learning something called the Italics tag, which would look something like this. Okay, so let's have that written out right now. And say italics. Write that there, refresh the browser, and this is the result. And you'll notice that this text does look like italicized text. We'll use a p tag, and the text we'll put into it as a comparison, so we know that, okay, this is actually different text. All right, so as you can see here, this is regular text, this is italicized text. All right, so I could just pretty much end the video here, but to help answer some possible questions, is there any other use for this? No. This is purely to make your text italicized. Just in case you have this question in mind, there are these tags that help the browser or search engines to understand what contents you have within the HTML file. So say, for example, the EM tag. And then we'll say, put the italics word here. And how about we just add a line break here, so that's a little bit easier to see what's going on. Ooh, we don't need that. Okay, so supposedly the similar tag is EM, which stands for emphasize, and it's similar to italics. What this is supposed to do is tell the application, or tell the whatever form of software is processing this HTML file, to say this bit of text has some form of emphasis. So meaning that it's a key word, key phrase, some sort of key thing here. But it's up to the application or whatever software to decide does there need to be any special handling of this particular code here. And so that's all you really need to know in terms of italics. So italics is just making your text italicized, whereas the EM tag is supposed to be more than just italicized text by default. But I will have more about the EM tag down in the description below to explain further. But yeah, that's all for the italics tag. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like. If you have not, leave me a thumbs down, then I'll know. If you got something to say, there's the comments down below to throw your comments down there. And if you think I've earned it, there's a subscribe button on this webpage. That's it for now. See you guys later.